Hi everyone, today I've got with me the GAN15 NewBlack. So this is the version of the GAN15 which has black internals made out of automobile grade plastic. Let's have a look. So we've got the cube, as you can see there, unlike most of the flagships these days, this one has a black internal plastic. And it's definitely got that smoothness. For me, it feels probably more stable.
Hi everyone, this is GAN's new 3x3, the GAN15 NewBlack. The new material they're using in this cube reduces friction and bumps when turning, makes the turning a lot smoother and more consistent. This makes the cube produce much less noise. And here they've made another change. The original GAN15 had maglev instead of springs. In this cube they decided that to match the feel of the plastic, it's best to use springs instead of maglev. As with the maglev version, you have 6 center travel options, as well as 6 spring tension options at the bottom. I'm not sure whether or not I'll be using this cube as my main. However, I did get a PB average of 5 of 402 using this cube, so it clearly can perform very well under high speed.
Hello everybody, this is Matty and today I have a very special product. It's the new GAN15 NewBlack edition. Here is the cube, so let's open it up. Very nice UV coating, black internals. Let's give it first turns. Yeah, I think it feels good. Pretty smooth, and yeah, the biggest thing I'm noticing is it's pretty controllable. And another really interesting thing about this cube is it actually has a spring in the place of the maglev system. So the spring just goes there, and this goes on top. And of course this cube is normal size, but it is only 59.5 grams in weight, which is super light. It's definitely the best out-of-the-box feeling I've ever got from a GAN cube. And yeah, I'm gonna do some solves right now, so we'll see how I do.